In today's video tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can sell products using your Form Builder module. Now, if you don't have hundreds of products, then you don't need a fully fledged shopping cart system that allows you to have multiple images for products and multiple shipping rules and multiple payment types. Sometimes you just want to sell a one-off product, and let's say that's a book that you've got. Form Builder is perfect for this because you can just create a page, put the book details on it, the price, and then when they submit or when they buy now, it then goes off to PayPal and asks for their credit card information. Once they make the payment, of course, PayPal then emails you and says, hey, Bob just brought this book and he paid $50, so you can send it to him. So let's jump into Form Builder and see how we do this. So click on your Form Builder module. The first thing you'll need to do is go to your Preferences tab on the right-hand side and just make sure that Allow Online Payments is yes. Then we want to go back to Categories. We want to go to Form Builder, and we're going to create a new form. So I'm going to call this Example E-commerce Form. And I just want it to go to our support email address. We're going to send a thank you and a confirmation email. Normally, I would leave all of this and I'd do it so everybody could see it, but I don't want everybody to see it at the moment because it's only a demo, so I'm going to make sure that only the administrator can see it, which is me, so I don't accidentally get somebody on the website buying something from me. Right, so we save those form settings. And then we create the fields. So we want their name. We're going to make it a required field. We want their email. We want that to be a required field as well. And then we choose the email type. And of course we'll need their address, or we won't know where to send it to. And I'm going to make that a text area. If you wanted to, you could create different fields such as street, suburb, and all that sort of stuff. But I want it to be as easy as possible for them to use. And then next, so I'm just saving that, and then I'll add another field. Of course, we want the cost. And it's going to be a payment. And you could actually have multiple, so I'll go buy one book and put a comma in there, and that's going to be $50. I'm just reading what it says over here. Name, value. And then I could say buy 2 books, comma, 100. Actually, we'll give them a discount because they're buying 2. So we'll make it 90. I'll just make sure I've done that. Name and value separated by commas, options separated by semicolons. So there should actually be a semicolon there. And then save that. Now I know down here it says payment type, no options available. That's fine. You just choose it because even if you could actually have multiple payment types. You could have PayPal for credit card and bank, but at the moment we're only going to use one. So we'll go save those form fields. And those are all the form fields we need. Now we need to set up our payment. We're only going to use PayPal. And we just put in our PayPal email address, which in this case for us it's billing at Spinning Planet. Don't need the IPN code anymore. PayPal works without it. You've also got these other options. If you wanted to, you could have them do a bank transfer as well. It's just easier if you do a credit card transaction through PayPal. It's only about 3.8% per transaction and 50 cents per transaction. But the amount of time it saves, like if you were doing a bank transfer, somebody's got to check the bank account. It's just really annoying. Take it from me, the easiest way to do it is just do a PayPal transaction, PayPal credit card transaction. So we've got those details in there. And then we look at our messages. So this is what appears above the form. So buy Greg's book, and we could put in some images and stuff, but I'm not going to do that. And then once they make payment, we'll go, thank you, one of our staff will contact you soon. And then you can also have the email that goes to them as well that says, thank you, your book will be sent shortly. So those are all of our messages. And now we'll go and have a look at that form. There it is there. So I'll fill that out. 1, 2, 3, house. Oops, got to fix up this formatting, but I'll do that. That's not the form builder's fault, that's the website theme, but we'll fix that shortly. And then we go put in our code here, just to prove that we're not a spam bot. And we go submit. And that takes us, so it's just processed the form, and I would have got an email saying thank you for buying the book, and then it automatically, I see this formatting's a bit dodgy there too, and then it automatically takes us to PayPal, where we can pay with our credit card. So that's how easy it is to use Form Builder to do online payments.